This is mid through the cycle. Holy Dinah. That's very shiny. Look how clean the glasses are. Holy Dinah. Wow. Looking good. Looking good. Oh my goodness. That's awesome. That is so awesome. Wow. It's not even dry yet, but it looks so beautiful. It's drying cycle. Let's take a look what the dishes look like. Wow, spectacular. So as you can see, I put in an arrangement of different plates and cups and silverware. I'm going to try out another cycle and see how this one runs under heavy. This is my third time using the dishwasher. As you can see, it runs really nicely. I'm super happy with it, and they clean them up really good. I like everything about this CalmDo dishwasher. Dishes I have washed in this dishwasher. The plates, the straws, silverware, and the stainless steel straws. Everything turned out great. Thanks for watching my video, Reviews Just For You. Have a great day.